good to meet you. I'm a big fan of your dad.
Chelsea, sorry about that result. That really stinks. Is that something you need? Besides a shower?
Please escort them both from the building.
Oh!
You kicking me out of this building? Yes, I am.
We are talking about the United States Championship. You're not even from here.
Neither are you or you or you.
Blasphemy.
Everything goes through me.
I know you're just trying to hurt my feelings. But Roman, you seem to have forgotten that I don't have feelings.